Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vivi. Today we're going to be filming a traditional look, Yoruba bride actually. You guys can see how I look so transformed, looking like a Yoruba bride. If you want to watch how I achieved this look, please stay tuned and let's get right into it. Firstly, I'm applying the Ryan Blushes primer on my face. And I'm just going to... So next, I'm going to be applying my Becca face primer. I'm going to take orange from the Makeup Forever palette to cover up my dark spots. So I'm applying MAC foundation with NYX Illuminator, and I'll be doing that with the stipple brush. We'll then use the beauty blender to blend everything all in. We'll be applying the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder. And then I'm applying Milani face powder all over my face. Concealing with the LA Girl concealer. Setting with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm blending the excesses with the brush. Contour my crease with Sleek Contour Kit. Applying the House of Tara eyeshadow primer. From the same palette, I'll be applying this shade and this shade. Blending the crease all together so the eyeshadow isn't harsh, it's well blended together with the crease. And I'll be applying a little bit of pigment on top of the eyeshadow, and I'll first of all use my e.l.f. glitter primer, and I'll be mixing this to it's called Fire and Sauce. I'm going to finish up with my eyes and then draw my brows, and I'll be right back. I've gone ahead to draw my brows, do my lashes, and raw powder, MAC Skin Mineralized powder all over my face. So I'm just going to be contouring now with the Maybelline powder in Cocoa. And I'll go ahead to apply blush on my cheekbone. I'll be spraying my face with MAC setting spray. Then I'll be applying my Brook black eye pencil on my waterline. I'll be mixing Two Block Cosmetics lip stain in Blend and Blocked. So next I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Bronzer on my brow bone. So this is the finished look. I've gone ahead to tie my gele and this is what I look like now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.